Hello and welcome everyone. This is gonna show you here on this video on how we actually started to use generic names on Valorant for players outside the party. So this is gonna be about to learn about that on the player situation. So all you need to do is about follow this video. Can actually start to use this kind of stuff whenever we are really on the Valorant game because it's gonna actually give you here an indication of how Valorant is acting, and all you need to do is about start to go click on settings on the right top corner. Now click on settings over here in the middle. Then start to scroll down here. Now you can through that. You can use generic names outside my party. You can actually see that while matches other players outside party will display generic names. So who are really outside party players? I don't know, but this is gonna really confirming through something that is about that. So that's all about to help you on this video. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.